National Forensic Science University is supposed to be created, and crime scenes involving offences punishable by 7 years or more will now require a forensic science team to present in order for the police to collect the scientific evidence. Police ke aid korbar jonno. Coming down to police accountability, এটাকেও add করা হয়েছে. It will be mandatory for the police to provide the status of a complaint within 90 days and subsequently every 15 days to the complaint, forwarding daily diary reports to magistrate once in 14 days. Section 174 এটা can মানে এটা বলার সাথে সাথে মানে বোঝানো হচ্ছে যে the investigating authority প্রতি ক্রিমিনাল কেসে always is the police. তো পুলিশকে they have actually made the police very much accountable. যে এইটা যদি এই টাইম পিরিয়ডের মধ্যে না দেখানো হয়, in that case they are under question. Next comes the recording of rape victims statements and residence. যেটা আগে বলে গেল section 176. In relation to offense of rape, the recording of the statement of victim that shall be conducted at the residence of the victim or at a place of her own so-called convenience. A provision was not there. Recording of statement of victim of sexual assault by a female judicial magistrate. Say recording the victim, she won't be in a position where she won't feel it's a very disturbing on her part to explain whatever has happened. And a lady magistrate it becomes more easy on their part to explain whatever has happened. Coming down to section 180 clause 6. Recording of statement by judicial magistrate or witness in offences punishable with imprisonment for 10 years. In cases relating to offences punishable with imprisonment for 10 years, magistrate shall record the statement of the witness brought before him by the police officer. CRPC did not have a provision like this. If the person making the statement is temporarily